What's good, y'all? Today finna be doing some technical analysis on Nike. Now let me tell you something. This one right here. I'm gonna show you too. This one right here this is Daddy Yin Yang. Boom. What I first do of the yearly range, especially if it looks good, you see, long term this mofo right here. This is beautiful long term style. Look, wicks, nice wicks on all these. Look at this one right here. It's looking like it's starting to turn. And even if you buy down here and it goes down here, I mean, bro, Nike is the biggest shoe accessory company in the world. You go to the store, a pair of Nikes are $100, more than the stock. Come on, guy. Come on, bro. Every one of my shoes is over $70 for sure. A Nike shoe. I mean, geez, the only time you're getting under 69 is you go to the thrift store, bro. I'm telling you. Like, that's nasty, but you know, you got to see where you're at. Okay, we got order block. Get the order blocks, man. Inside candles, so I mean, technically it should take down this low, but it didn't. Reacted right off the order block. Look at that. Inside candle, 3 months left. Usually each candle takes out a high or a low of the previous candle. That's why it's a white candle, because it hasn't took out the high or the low. Look, it's black. It took out the low. Took out the low. Usually it takes out the high or the low, man. So still a lot of time left. The way it's looking, it should head up to 82. When? I can't tell you when. That's literally the $1 million question. I can tell you what looks good to me, but when it's gonna hit, I can tell you where it probably is going. I can't tell you when though. That's up to the market makers, man. But I mean, that looks beautiful, bro. Rejection blocks, 3-month chart. I mean, I really like this stock. Look, I mean, if this was really bearish, this would have closed here. And this wouldn't have closed inside this candle. Look up here. Inside candle, man. This is a target right here. What is that? That's the 50%, man. You're buying below blue line, first of all. That's what I should have said first, bro. You're buying below the blue line, which is on the yearly chart. It's the yearly range. This is how I really get good, precise entries, man. I want to be entering below the blue line. I could enter for down here for like here. Under the blue line, it's a discount. From entering here, that's a discount, man. It's literally telling you to buy it. Now, I'd be careful for tomorrow for earnings, man. It's too volatile. But we'll take a look and see what I would prefer. I'm not a financial advisor, man. So what do we see here? It created a displacement up, fair value gap, closed above this fair value gap. Right now it's entering into the fair value gap here. It's an inverse fair value gap, which is basically a bearish fair value gap in this case, converted into a bullish one. That's powerful. It's literally inside it. Right there would have been a money entry. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm getting calls tomorrow. Just off the monthly chart. Why would it really doesn't need to come down here. It's just like it reacted really good off that red zone. I mean, dude, look at that. What would I say? I say, what candles look stronger, the red or the blue? I'm not gonna lie, in this whole like 50 candles right here, this is the biggest move, bro. What did it do? It just retraced, came back into a good area to buy. This was a monthly inverse fair value gap. That's some money, dude. It's inside candle right now. It's got to go up or down. Usually, I think it's gonna. It could not move for earnings. That's very possible, but I would expect it to move. Oh yeah. There's a big gap down here. Usually it fills gaps, but it did close inside this range. So I think we're going up here. I would say I'd get calls right here. For me. So I'm probably gonna get calls right here. So this is what I'm targeting on for earnings. That, or it could moon down to this low, bro. I mean, I don't know. It's only supposed to move $5. That's 10, 7. That's 3. So that's more likely. But there's a gap up here. It could just go up or down. I'm not gonna lie to you. It can go up or down. I mean, that looks a little more bullish than bearish. Order block, good entry right here. This is a whole order block on a bigger time frame. Boom. But understand, nothing goes up. You gotta wait for the pullbacks, and that's where you use ICT concepts. Everyone says ICT concepts are scams and shit, but bro, like, really? It's teaching you to buy lower prices. And what is it? It's teaching you to use certain things on the chart, like a fair value gap, to get a picture perfect entry, man. That's what people don't realize. Order blocks. It's not just something out of their ass. It's good. Because you know why? Literally everything you see, you can okay, it happened because of this reason. Literally everything on the chart using ICT. Oh, it hit this zone. It hit this fair value gap, this order block. Inverse fair value gap. You know, it's just shit like that. Excuse my language, man, but dude. I mean, I'm entering here because this was an inverse fair value gap, not because it just pulled back. That too, but it pulled back. Oh, in my inverse fair value gap. Oh, that's why I entered, not because of the fucking MACD crossed and had sex with the other side of the MACD. No, absolutely not. No. Or the RSI is over the fucking number 80 for some shit. If you were to use some retail shit, I don't even know if this is retail, but I'd use Fibonacci's, man. I messed that up. Oh, no. Fibonacci's, bro. Watch. Boom. Boom. Anything that enters under the 50%, that's a good price. And usually if these lines, if you zoom in to a smaller time frame, usually you'll find like an ICT concept, like a PD array, which isn't a fair value gap, order block, all the other things. All I use is fair value gaps and order blocks. That's literally all I use. I use 3 things. Literally. I mean, you can just find things. Fair value gap. Usually these are resistance. Usually, what is resistance? Usually there's a smaller time frame PD array. Boom. So I've been trying to tell you guys. But for earnings tomorrow, I'm gonna keep this short and simple. I would expect it to come up here. I'm more bullish than bearish. But we got to see tomorrow. I don't like buying it 5 weeks in advance. I want to see the day of. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, that'll do it for me. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow Harlem Clean. Comment down what you want me to react to, or not react to, but technical analysis-ish, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to help get me to Miami, man.